All right, what is up, y'all? Welcome to the Double Down Room. Thank you for tuning in. If you guys saw the thumbnail, you already know what's happening on here. We're doing a March Madness tournament with BlackJack betting system. So if you're familiar with March Madness and what it is, it's a bunch of college basketball teams that get together. They enter this tournament to see which team is the best. And we're going to do that right here with these BlackJack systems. So we're going to cover pretty much every system that we've covered already on this channel. We review betting systems to see which system is better between 2 or 3 or 4. And we're going to do a whole tournament March Madness style. We're going to start at the Sweet 16. We got 16 systems for you guys. We're going to put all on this wheel right here that you guys can see right here. And then we are going to do this bracket. I have the bracket already set up. All we have to do is enter the 16 teams. As we go and pick them, they're going to be put into this bracket straight down, and then it's a battle. So we're gonna do a full battle. We got 4 decks here, so instead of doing the double deck, a little bit too small, or the 6 deck gonna take a long time. We're gonna do 4 decks, take it back to the old school style when they used to have 4 decks, 4 deck tables at the casino, and we're gonna play 2 halves. So 2 rounds of 4 deck, 1 half, second half, like in college basketball. Whichever system wins that battle gets to move on to the next round, and then we're gonna play the championship round. That video will be out on Easter Sunday. So make sure you guys are subscribed. If you're not, like the video. Leave a comment down below which system you think is going to win. My personal pick is gonna be flat bet, just because for some reason when we do these systems, flat bet just always ends up like beating the other systems. We do all this rocket science to see which system is the best, but flat bet usually is just like we should have just flat bet and we would have been golden. So let's go ahead and throw these in here. You guys are going to be able to see me do this right now on the screen. So I'm pulling up the screen. We're going to do 16. So we got flat. We got the 2, 1, 2. We got the 1, 3, 2, 4. Whoops. Okay, we got the martingale. We got the Stern system. I'm not sure if Stern is spelled with an A or not, so let's go no A. We got the D'Alembert. We got the Fibonacci. Okay. We got the 3-time parlay. So this is when you parlay your bet 3 times. We got the press 4 times. So this is our Texas Wildcat system. Just add a unit. Whoops. I don't know why I spelled it like this. 3-time parlay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 systems. We got the 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. All right, we got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is another type of martingale system, but not really. What else did we have? We got the negative Fibonacci. So this is it's kind of like the D'Alembert, but a little bit accelerated. We got our Mandel Whitehead's negative hybrid, so it combines flat bet, D'Alembert, and martingale. We got, let's count this up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 systems. Okay, we got the 3 to 5, which is the one that I personally do. I have a live stream on this video, so if you guys watch the most recent live stream, I do this strategy. This is my personal strategy that I use when I go play at the casino, and we're going to put that here. So this is 14. We got 2 more. We got Oscar's Grind. We have not touched this one yet, but that one's a little bit more, you really have to, know where you're at all times. And then the last one is the 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 1, 3. So you're going up, you're starting with 1 unit, you go up to 2, then you regress to 1. Then if you win again, you're going for 3. So there's our 16 systems. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So let's update this wheel. What we're going to do is spin the wheel. Whichever one gets picked, they're going to go straight on the bracket, and we're going to go straight down. Just want to go straight down. So we're going to find out the first 2 right now. So here we go. Let's spin the wheel. And our first system is Oscar's Grind. So, whoops. Let me go to participants. Number 1, Oscar's Grind. So who's Oscar's Grind? Who's this guy matching up with? Let's find out. Our first matchup, our first game is against the negative Fibonacci. Solid, solid. I don't even know if I'm spelling this right. All right, so there's our first game. Our first matchup is Oscar's Grind versus the negative Fibonacci. Let's see what's next. Next up, we got the Stern system. So game number 2 is Stern. Who's Stern going up against? Let's check it out. Up against the 212. 212. All right, so that's a good system right there. That's basic. That's like the most popular system besides Martingale. So gonna test that one out. And here we go, Martingale. Next game, game number 3. Martingale. Who's Martingale going up against? That'd be funny if it's flat bet. Against the D'Alembert. Solid, solid. This is probably one of my favorite systems if I want to be like risky but not too risky. Just because if you hit 5 or 6 hands lost in a row, it's like you're down a lot. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it only takes like 1 or 2 hands to win to come back. But all right, negative hybrid. Man, I can't spell for nothing on here. Look at that. All right, negative hybrid. Game number 4. Who's he playing? Who's he playing? Let's see here. The 1-3-2-4. All right. 1-3-2-4. All right, we're moving down the list. Here we go. Next up, flat bet. This is my pick to win it all, flat bet. I don't know why. These systems out here against the against our man Texas Wildcat. Press it 4 times, add a unit 4 times basically. Here we go, we're winding down. Next up is the 1-2-1-2-4. This is a positive progression system. Basically, you got to win 3 in a row. Once you lose once. We got the 3-time parlay, so we're pressing our bet 3 times. 3 wins isn't too bad. This is actually going to be a good system right here because they both basically do that. Is the 3-time parlay. So actually, this one's going to be a pretty even matchup. That's going to be an interesting one. They're basically the same system. And we got the 1-2-1-3. So this is a system that I play sometimes depending on how the cards are coming out. If they're like super dookie and like I can't hit a win streak for nothing, I might do this one. Let's see if it goes up against my 3-5. That'd be crazy. There it goes. So these are the 2 systems that I play at the casino. The 3-5 is my main one. So basically what I'm doing is starting with 3 units. If I win, I go up to 5 units. So I'm collecting 1 unit after just 1 win. And then from every win after that, I'm just coloring up to the next color. And I leave once I lose. Like if I go with all reds, once I lose all my reds. Well, this is basically the same one. So Fibonacci is going to have the home court advantage right here. And this guy is playing the 1-2-3-4, 3-2-1. Alrighty, there we go. Let's save it. Let's go over here to the bracket. It says that's in progress. Hold on. So here it is. Here's our system. Let's download it to our, put it on here. There we go. There's our bracket, y'all. So these are the matchups. We're going to start from top to bottom. So the winner of Oscar's Grind and negative Fibonacci will move on to the next round. The winner of Stern and 2-2 will play the winner of this first game, and it's going to go all the way down. So we're starting with a Sweet 16. Then we got our Elite 8, our Final 4, and then the championship round. So stay tuned. These videos are coming out pretty much every single day to cover all of these games. So like I said, we're playing 4 decks at a time, 2 halves. So 1 round of 4 decks, first half, shuffle it up. Second round, second half. At the end of 2 rounds of 4 decks, we're going to see which system has the most amount of money. We're going to start with $500 buy-in for each mainly because Martingale's going to need the money. $10 is going to be our base unit, and we're going to keep track. We'll have the whole scoreboard on the bottom for y'all, and we're going to see what's up. So I hope you guys are excited for this like I am, and I'll see y'all on game number 1. So stay tuned for that. It's coming out real soon. All right, y'all. Peace.